Hello guys, I'm Abijith from Kerala. I was looking for a gypsy around for the past 1 year, and I searched along in lot of places, but I couldn't find any gypsy which is like suitable for me. So at last I came to know about Ammyfied Customs, and I contacted Ayman. He's such a beautiful guy, and he built me my favorite gypsy, my dream gypsy. I can say that. And it's just superb car, and the suspension, the Ammyfied suspension, just you have to feel the difference between a normal gypsy and this Ammyfied customs suspension. It's just superb. Those who wish to buy a gypsy, they should contact Ammyfied customs. Maybe it will take some time. Based on my experience, I'm telling it will take some time for them to build the car, because they are just piled up with a huge number of gypsies. So it will take some time, but the gypsy will be worth. That's what I can say. You can trust him. It's mechanically and everything. It will be a just awesome gypsy. I was with MK Film, and I should say about MK. He is just a cool guy. I was with him for the last 1 week, and he's very friendly, and I was riding along with him to many places like hill station, and we were just going for test ride on highway and the all type of terrains, hilly area, and he was there to help me in not all these issues with gypsy. Yeah, I should thank him also. Thank you MK, and thank you Ammyfied. ആരെങ്കിലും മലയാളികൾ ആരെങ്കിലും വണ്ടി വാങ്ങാൻ താല്പര്യം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അമ്മിഫൈഡിനായിട്ട് എന്തായാലും ഒന്ന് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് നോക്കാം. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തായാലും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടും വണ്ടി. എന്തായാലും നല്ലൊരു എല്ലാ രീതിയിലും നല്ല അടിപൊളിയായിട്ടാണ് ചെയ്യുക. പക്ഷെ കുറച്ച് സമയം എടുക്കും, അതൊരു പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ ബാക്കി എല്ലാം കൊണ്ടും വണ്ടി അടിപൊളിയാണ്, വിശ്വസിച്ചെടുക്കാൻ പറ്റും.